What's going on, guys? So in today's video, susubukan naman natin itong DJI Osmo Action 6 pagdating sa indoor lighting. Kasi nga pagka pumupunta ka sa iba't ibang lugar, hindi mo alam kung paano magpe-perform itong camera na to pagdating sa indoor lighting. Especially kasi pag nasa loob ka ng isang building or mall or restaurant, iba-iba ang lighting yan, di ba? Minsan madilaw, minsan puti yung ilaw, or minsan colorful, iba-ibang kulay kasi nga Christmas ngayon, di ba? So talagang pag pumunta ka sa iba't ibang lugar, iba-iba ang ilaw. So yun ang gagawin natin today. Susubukan natin tong camera na to sa indoor lighting. So ang first test natin is dito sa loob ng car mismo. Kasi nga pag nandito ka sa loob ng kotse, medyo madilim. Lalo na ngayon sa UK, maagang dumidilim. So ito magandang test to. Kasi nga wala naman akong sunroof, konti lang yung araw. So ngayon makikita mo kung ano itsura nito pagdating sa ganitong scenario. I'm sure marami ka na nakita ganitong scene, diba, sa loob ng car sa mga vloggers. Dito sila nag-vlog kasi nga tahimik, may privacy ka, walang masyadong maingay. Pero ang drawback nga, kung madilim sa labas or medyo padilim na, so dito mo makikita kung okay bang gamitin tong DJI Osmo Action 6 sa mga ganitong scene or sa ganitong talking head shot sa loob ng car. So, how does it look like? Okay ba? So, pwede ba natin gamit dito sa loob ng car pag gusto natin mag-vlog dito? Okay, next scene naman tayo. Saktong-sakto kilala ko yung manager dito sa restaurant or pub na to dito sa hotel. So bago sila mag-open sa bawat anong oras ba, magsi 6 o'clock pa lang, magbe-breakfast na. So napakiusapan ko, sabi ko, pwede pa akong video saglit para lang makita ko yung ilaw, ganun. So itong scene na to, o itong lighting na to, ito yung mga tipong pag kumakain ka sa restaurant, diba, o sa pub katulad nito, dito makikita mo kung how the Osmo Action 6 performs. Kasi mga ilaw dito, di ba, iba-iba. Yellow, may red, o kung ano-ano kulay. This is a good way to test this camera. Paano siya mag-perform sa ganitong lighting condition. Kasi nga, iba-iba yung ilaw. At the same time, maraming Christmas decor. So, this is really good. Tama-tama, walang tao. Solo na. Pwede pa tayo mag-video, di ba? Ayos! try natin. Iba-iba yung kulay nito eh. So, merong pink, may yellow, may white. So, ibang-iba yung kulay. So, ito, matitest natin kung kumusta pag ganito ang lighting condition. Diba? Tingnan natin kung paano mag-adjust yung camera pagka iba-iba yung kulay na nakikita niya. So far, so good. Maliwanag naman, diba? So, depende yan eh. Buti na lang walang flicker. May anti-flicker kasi itong camera na to. So, you can turn it on. If I were you, turn it on all the time. Pero depende pa rin yan sa frame rate kung saan ka nag-shoot, kung saan bansa ka. I'm shooting now at 30 frames per second. Tapos naka-anti-flickering on tayo. Yeah, look. Have a play with it.
Oh wow, that's so cool. You can you can see what I'm filming.
Yeah, and
You get Abby on it.
you can see.
How'd you zoom? Oh wow! No, I can see myself on the back camera. That's really cool actually.
So we're just. Okay. Can I have? What is it that you told me earlier?
Coconut or gingerbread?
Coffee nut.
Which one?
Medium, please.
Any cream?
No, I'm on a diet.
Sorry.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
That's so cool. That is so cool.
There. Put it there. Put it everywhere there. It's so small, isn't it?
It
You
is.
go like this. Oh, it doesn't take you there.
Did you want any of the sprinkles?
No. That's like extra. Thank
There you are, Nuri.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a day.
Nandito tayo sa John Lewis last minute shopping. Tingin-tingin tayo. At the same time, testingin na rin natin itong lighting sa mga ganitong mall. Maliit lang na mall to pero tingnan natin kung ano itsura. Pwede na to. Last minute shopping, tingin ako na regalo sa anak ko. Tsaka tingin ako ng sapatos for me rin. Last minute shopping. So far, wala tayong success. Mahirap dito, mahirap maghanap. Masyadong mahal sa mall na to. Maliit na mall lang to pero walang success. Lipat. Hanap pa tayo ng ibang mapupuntahan o mabibila ng regalo dahil it's a bit expensive here. mukhang aalis na tayo dahil wala tayong makita rito. Tsaka maraming music, ang hirap mag-vlog dito. Pero at least nakikita mo na, alam mo na kung ano itsura ng camera na to pagka indoor lights sa mga mall or sa shopping centers.
Thank you.
Whoa!
Look at that.
What is it? It's
What is it called?
ube. What do you call this na?
I cannot remember.
Oh, birthday
It has a little
drink.
bit extra though.
Yeah.
Pineapple with pineapple.
Pineapple, ube.
Ooh, nice. The ube tastes nice.
Does it taste
Can you
nice?
taste it? Oh, nice.
Yeah.
That's good.
Oh, birthday girl.
Okay, try it. Oh, wow. Boss.
What?
You
Good?
can taste the ube.
Can you?
Yeah. Oh, that looks sick.
Calamansi. What is this?
There's like calamansi.
Calamansi.
Apple juice.
Okay. Calamansi apple juice.
Calamansi.
And
Yeah.
yeah, good.
Okay. Thank you.
The sisig is here. Oh, yan na. Kare-kare, sisig, and the liempo. Yes. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Put it here. Put this here.
Don't tell me. Nakanta pa ko kayo, sinabi niyo pa rin. Sinabi ko, don't tell them name.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
No, it's me.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Day to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Day to you. To you. Happy birthday, bati. Maligayang, maligayang, maligayang bati. Yay!
Dapat ikaw mag-worship. Si Royce pinit
Happy birthday to you. Okay, happy birthday, okay. Yay! Happy birthday!
Kamsahamnida. Happy birthday.
Thank you.